In this quick guide, we'll dive into how to create audit trails in Process.st. If you're just starting with Process.st, understanding audit trails is crucial to track changes and ensure transparency across your workflows. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you how to set them up efficiently, plus share how you can get access to this software for free with exclusive bonuses. Process.st offers a robust auditing feature that allows you to keep track of who's made changes in your workflows, ensuring accountability and clarity. So whether you're working in a team or just handling processes solo, the audit trail feature is essential for monitoring actions taken on specific tasks or checklists. You'll be able to see exactly who modified what and when, all at a glance. To create an audit trail, start by logging into your Process.st account. Once you're inside, navigate to the workflow you want to monitor. When you open a workflow, click on a task or a checklist to access its specific details. This is where the magic happens. Every action, from checkboxes being ticked to task completions, gets tracked here. For every task or subtask, Process.st creates a detailed log showing every change made. This includes when a task was marked complete, when a comment was added, or when a file was uploaded. It's all captured in real time, making it incredibly easy to see who's been working on what, when, and how. This can be vital for compliance, especially in industries where precise record keeping is necessary. Now let's look at how to view and manage audit trails. If you want to see all the activity on a specific workflow, simply head to the Activity tab. Here, you'll find a chronological list of every update or change made to that workflow with timestamps and user details. You can easily track what happened and when, giving you a solid overview of how your team or process is progressing. The real benefit of these audit trails comes into play when you're reviewing past activities or ensuring accountability. Imagine you're working on a multi-step process with a team and something goes wrong. With an audit trail, you can quickly pinpoint exactly where the process deviated. It's a lifesaver for fixing issues fast, ensuring that everything stays on track. If you want to customize what's being tracked, Process.st makes it simple. You can choose to track specific elements like task completion, comments, or file uploads. Plus, each task has a change log option where you can dig even deeper into the individual edits made by users. To sum up, creating and viewing audit trails in Process.st is simple yet powerful. Whether you're in charge of a large team or managing tasks on your own, audit trails provide peace of mind, transparency, and a clear view of your process performance. Don't forget, Process.st offers a free version of the software, and you can access it using the first link below, along with our exclusive extended trial bonuses. This will give you everything you need to start organizing your workflows with full visibility and control. So give it a try today and see how audit trails can help streamline your processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your extended free trial in the description below.